Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing well. This video today I'm making to give you a review on some basic perfumes. They are not that expensive. They are absolutely inexpensive, and some are really good and some are not that good. So you need to know whether you would like to invest your money before buying. So hopefully this video will be helpful for you, as we all know that festive season is in the corner, and we whatever the situation is, we never forget to gift our near and dear ones. So if you are really planning to buy perfumes, then this is the video for you. So stay tuned and hopefully it will be helpful for you. So the first perfume I would like to review is this one. This is Intense by MS Dhoni. This is a 100 ml bottle. It has a woody smell. It is also give you a sporty sporty feeling if you are going to gym or any casual meeting. It's really good for that, but it really doesn't stay very long. It will stay nearby 2 to 3 hours. After that you are not really going to smell it, or you will not, nobody will get the smell from your body. But definitely if you are going to carry this perfume all the way with you, then yes, you can definitely invest in this perfume. But if you are just applying before leaving your house, and you expecting it will stay nearly more than 7-8 hours, then no, it is not going to stay. So this is the first perfume I wanted to talk about. Second one, again by MS Dhoni. This is Power by MS Dhoni, 100 ml bottle. The same story like the first one. It is not going to stay more than 2 to 3 hours. So if you are planning to buy this kind of perfumes, then you can think over before you invest your money. And the price will be like $15. You can check on Amazon or any other online site. You can easily get them. So this is my second perfume. And one more thing I would like to say, that the reason I'm giving you the price in dollar, because I don't know from which part of the world you are watching my video. So if you are from India, or if you are from Dubai or any other country of the world, it is always easy to do the calculation when I'm telling, or anybody is giving you idea on dollar. So you can calculate the price, how much you are going to pay for this kind of perfumes. And the third one is whiskey. The name itself whiskey, and it's silver. This perfume is extremely good. It will stay day long, and you just spray in the morning and it will stay until evening. So this is a very good perfume, and you can blindly invest your money if you are planning to gift anybody, or if you love perfume, you can buy for yourself. So both the way it will work very good. But let me tell you, this perfume I bought it from India. It was cost me like 600 or 700 rupees, which is nearly $12. And if you are planning to buy it online, maybe you can get some good discount also. So you can check in Amazon or any other online site to buy it. This is a very good perfume. You must give it a try. So this is a must buy perfume. You buy one, and I can tell you that you are not going to regret at all. In number 4th position, I will recommend you again Whiskey Sport. This is a sporty perfume. It will stay day long. Like if you are if you are spraying in the morning, probably it will stay until next morning. So it's a really nice perfume. It is really it's a good investment. I bought it from India in same 750 rupees. In dollar, I told you it will be nearly 12 to $15, and you can check online. This is also available in online, and you can get it easily. So you can blindly invest your money in this kind of perfumes. It will really last long, and you can gift someone with confidence, and you will never regret it. In the fifth position, I will recommend you to buy this one. This is by Sapel and Sport Italia. It is a very nice perfume. Some offer was going on. I bought it from Dubai. I paid just 15 AED. Maybe because of the offer I got it in a very cheap price, but you can check the price online. I'm really sorry I cannot provide you the price in dollar. You can calculate your own, but this is a very nice perfume. It stays also again almost if you spray in the morning, it will stay until late afternoon. So if you are planning to buy this kind of perfume which stays in a moderate way, then go for it. It's a nice buy, and it is coming in an interesting packaging. The perfume was inside this box, so if you are planning to gifting someone, you can blindly buy, and I'm sure you are going to receive a very nice feedback from the person you gifted this perfume. Last but not the least, I'm going to talk about a very nice perfume, which is a unisex perfume, and I use almost daily. If you spray while, if I spray while leaving home in the morning when I go to office, and the smell stays really until next morning. It's the best buy, and ever since I started this perfume until now, I didn't change. This is my most favorite perfume. Whenever I get some offer, I always buy more than one or two, because offer is not all the time I get. But whenever I see, even this morning I was checking online in Amazon, I saw the price for 200 ml they are offering in just 70 dirham, and then only I was thinking of placing order, because this is my most favorite and I almost use it daily, as I told you. This is the perfume I'm talking about. This is CK1. It's a 200 ml bottle, and I just can't stop praising about this perfume. I really like it, and if you are after some sporty perfume or kind of mixed smell or fragrance you like, you must buy this perfume. Price in dollar will be around $20 or $22. Check online before you buy from store. Online you really get some good discounted price, so buy this one for you, or if you're planning to give someone, just buy it and wait for the nice feedback from the person you gifted. You are not going to regret buying it. This is the last perfume I wanted to talk about. It's it's really I will not say it's handy, because you can see the bottle is a glass bottle. If you are not really very gonna use it in a very polite way, then you have to be very careful because it's a glass bottle. So yeah, this is it. This is my today's video all about. I just hope that you like my today's video. If you are planning to buy perfumes for upcoming festivals, or anybody you are planning to gift to, then please buy. You can consider buying one of them, and let me know the person you gifted whether he or she liked it or not. And just wait for my another video. Very soon I'm going to review some product, or some perfumes rather, which are mostly for ladies, and which are I also use them. So it will be very I can review them in a very nice way, because I personally experienced them, and so that you also get to know some information about those perfumes. So stay tuned, like my video, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe, and take care.